Hello, I hope I am audible and I am live on MLH Twitch. Let me just quickly check this. Let me see. Oh, I can see myself on the screen. Alright, alright. This is awesome. Let me just fix a couple of things here and then we can start this session. Alright, if you can hear me, let me know in the chat. Please say hi in the chat. I just noticed a couple of people said hi. I'm not sure if this is from the previous stream or if this is hi to me. And also you may hear some noise from the background. That's my air cooler because it's hot here. Because it's prep graduation. And yeah, we're gonna wait for some minute for everyone. Oh, I just noticed there are 20 people already watching us. That is awesome. That is awesome. In that case, I don't think we need to wait a little bit anymore. Yeah, in that case, I don't think we need to wait anymore. So let's just start this. And so basically, I was planning to do this stream on StreamYard, and for some reason it wasn't working, and which is why I just moved to OBS. So no, not a lot of fancy transitions. So please do not keep high expectations. Which means that during the session I will be doing a lot of figuring out parts. So pardon for that. All right. What we are going to do today is we are going to do the prep graduation, and for that you need to give me just 1 second so that I can fix all my windows because it's OBS, and then we can do this. So again, just give me a second. I promise I will fix this. I can do this. So yeah, all right. And with that, let me see if this other screen is visible. This is like a very raw format of the prep graduation. For the fancy things, you should wait for the 12 weeks graduation. That's going to be by Will. So yeah. All right. So we are here. Jackers. All right. Seems like some previous pod. I think I heard this name, Jackers. I'm not sure if this is from this batch. I believe I heard this in the previous batch when I was hosting this. All right. A lot of Jackers. Okay. So yeah, let's start this. So hi, my name is Asran, and welcome to the Prep Pod graduation. Sorry for taking like 5 minutes for figuring out stuff, but I'm not that tech in when it comes to live streams as of Will Russell. So yeah, hi, my name is Asran. I'm from Pakistan, and I work at the MLH Fellowship as a program associate, where my job is to help the fellows by arranging them a lot of technical and non-technical sessions, which includes like resume building, careers, CTCI, which stands for cracking the coding interview, and a lot of such kind of things. And if you are new here, today we are going to talk about MLH Prep Pod. So it's the MLH Prep Pod graduation, and it's also the 12 weeks programs graduation as well, which will be happening right after this graduation. So make sure that you also watch that as well. Yeah, and if you're new here, you may be wondering what is MLH Prep Pod, what is fellowship, etc. So basically, fellowship is a 12 weeks of program that is completely remote, and it's an alternative to the traditional internships. And the good thing about this fellowship is you earn stipends, and you get a chance to work on open source projects with top companies such as Google, Amazon, GitHub, Meta, and a lot of many awesome companies. So that is a quick idea of MLH fellowship, and you can already see the website on the screen, which is fellowship.mlh.io. If you're interested to learn more about the MLH fellowship, feel free to visit. fellowship.mlh.io, or if you are interested to apply for the program, in that case as well, feel free to visit the website and apply for the next batch. The admissions are currently open. So that is, or maybe actually let me also share this in the chat, share the link in the chat. So here's the link. Okay, so that is about the MLH fellowship. And in case you're wondering about what is a prep pod, so basically in the fellowship there are different kind of tracks, different pods. So basically a pod is a group of students that come together and they do not know each other initially. And in the prep pod, they have 3 weeks of time where they have to work on Jacquard and React.js applications. And it's a good opportunity to network and get to know each other. And it's actually a very good thing for introverts because you get connected with a lot of people. So that is something that if you're an introvert, you should definitely go for it. And with that, what we are going to do today. So basically, what we are going to do today is, let me actually switch to the full screen mode and we can talk here. Yeah, so what we are going to do today is, fellows did amazing work in the last 3 weeks. Basically, I'm talking about the prep pod, the prep pod of August. So they did an amazing job by contributing to the open source projects and connecting with a lot of new people and doing their 3 weeks of internship, not 3 months. So what we are going to do here is we are going to appreciate them. We are going to see their work and appreciate that. And I am here to show their amazing work to all of you on the internet. So I'm sure you are excited. If you're someone that's watching me right now and you are from the prep pod who is graduating today, please let me know in the chat. I have already opened the chat in the on my other screen. So if you are already someone who is from the prep pod and that is graduating today, let me know in the chat. I am constantly monitoring that. Just let me know by saying hi, maybe your pod number. Yes, me, awesome. I just saw 2 people responded. I would love to see more responses. I'm sure there are a lot of more people. I'm from prep, me as well. Awesome. I love this. Cool. Keep it coming. I'm interested to know all of you that are here. Awesome. Let's make sure let's keep this as interactive as possible. Yeah, and enough of talking. Just one last thing, that is, let's talk about the flow of this whole stream. So what we are going to do is we are going to start with what the prep pod had initially. Like as I said, it's a 3 weeks of program. So initially, they are supposed to work on 2 projects during those 3 weeks. The one project is based on Jacquard, and the other project is based on React.js. So they're supposed to work on a very simple and not very responsive and a not very attractive and a not very beautiful website within 1 week or within the 2 weeks of time, and then they come up with something super amazing. And trust me, whenever I see the final result, it always surprises me because you fellows are amazing. So with that, let's just jump into it. So let me now switch to the other screen. Okay, so let's first start with the what they had initially. Okay, so oops, this is the template. This is not the so this is the template, but this is the website. I hope you can see this. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, this is something that they had initially. Let me remove my face, maybe. Yeah, and let me remove my face. Okay, so this is something that they had initially. Quite simple. You can see some MLH full-time team mascots, and that's it. This is the very simple website here. We can't see the whole windows. Oh, you can't see the whole windows. You can't see the whole windows. I think this is a problem with this. Should be fixed now. Thanks for mentioning this. This is because I changed my screen, uh, and it was set to the resolution of the previous screen, and I can't really fix this right now during the stream. So sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah, this should work now. You should be able to see the full screen, um, and yeah, you should be able to see this. Okay, so yeah, this is it. This is the website, and you can see it's quite simple, nothing very fancy, and this was the website. And guess what? Guess what did they came up with? Guess what did they come up with? So we're gonna go one by one. So there are basically two pods, and we will start with the first pod. And here is their work. Here is their amazing work that they did during the last week, during just 1 week. So this is the website that they come up with. I'm gonna keep this open with me as a reference, and we will use this as a reference. So this was initially, and here is the work of Jackers. So, I just found something. I just found something that I absolutely love. That is the dark mode. Trust me, this is my favorite part from the prep pod work. I always love this, and I always try this. The cards are wow. All right, Jackers who are there. If I miss something, please excuse me, and if I miss something, please let me know in the chat that there is this feature that you just missed, so that I ensure that I show your amazing work to every single person there. Okay, so yeah, this is something that they did. I'm gonna quickly see if this is responsive. So for that, I will just resize the window, and this seems to be responsive. Yeah, this seems to be responsive. It is responsive. Let's not dig much into it. Okay, so yeah, I see the MLH Prep logo. That is awesome. Let's just jump into the members, and these are the members. Let me just see if the links are valid. So if I click on GitHub, I'm not gonna go one by one, but just quickly see if the links are working. And seems like they are working. Awesome work. The projects which were like this initially, quite simple, and this is the result. I love the slide up animation here. That is nice. If I click on view project, iOS app, MLH Prep, and you have a go back to home button. That is nice. This is something that not sometimes the fellows add, but adding this button is something not very it's a very simple thing, but still it's quite helpful. So yeah, that is cool. I love the animations. I the more animations, the more love I have for you. And then I can see a map. Let's see what this pod. I'm just figuring out where this pod is from. So I see most of the people are from India, and then someone is from here. If I can read this text, this is basically I guess this is Arabic, but this is somewhere Yemen. I'm not sure. Egypt. Thanks for making sure that I am not embarrassed on the camera, because I don't know the geography. All right, a lot of people from India, and I believe someone is from Nepal, and then we have Egypt. Awesome, and then I see the links here. So this is also working. Yes, this is working. I see the links here. Yep, and yep. All right, this is working, and the links are working. This is awesome work, made with love by Jackers. Awesome work, Jackers. Do we have FAQs? Yes, we do have. Seems like all the links are working. And yep, that is. I mean, this is a quite basic website, and you folks did amazing. I love this part actually. This is a very nice grid, and looks very smooth. Like when I When I resize this, this looks very good. So that is awesome. Awesome work. Awesome work. All right. Let's see your GitHub, and let's see the contribution you folks did together. All right. Let me zoom this a little bit, and let's start with the pull request. If I see any 26 pull requests, that is awesome. 26 pull request is awesome. Let me just simply just open one and see is there any description. Yeah, I see the description. That is awesome, and I see a good practice there. Solves number 4 issue, so that is awesome. I always do this, and I love this when someone adds this solve, close, fix, etc. That is awesome work. Seems like you folks did a really nice open source, used made the best use of open source best practices and collaboration. This is awesome. One last thing, let me see. Yeah, this is awesome, and you also have the link to the live demo here. This is awesome work. All right. This is awesome. Time to check the next batch, next pod. I believe. Okay, this is Hack Together. This is a nice name. I like that. Let's start with the demo, and then we will come back to this. Hack Together. This reminds me of me when I was figuring out, like when I was learning HTML in grade 6. I used to do different type of styling on the word art that we have in the MS Office. This reminds me of that. But yeah, this is awesome. I love this thing. I love the clone. If anyone can tell me from Hack Together, what does this mean? I mean, like the gold, bronze, and silver. Like how the ranking works. If anyone can tell me, that would be awesome in the chat. Over the score. All right. Where do we have the score? Okay. Oh, so that is nice. I love this thing. So this is something that promotes like a healthy competition. Like if I am in the pod, I would definitely go for like scoring the highest, and for that I need to make a lot of commits and pull requests. I love this. Whose idea was this, by the way? If that person is here, let me know in the chat. But yeah, this is awesome. Neat and clean and just awesome. I love this. And I noticed you folks also added CV there. That is nice. Let me just see if the links are working. The links are working. Yes. I'm not gonna go for every single link, but try clicking on the names. Oh, this is impressive. I write code, Rust, Python, tennis. This is awesome. I'm interested to know more, to know about you as well, Ahmed. Because you have the Gold clone, so TypeScript and C++, hanging out with friends. Awesome work. I love this button as well. Something that's definitely needed when you have a long website, so you don't keep scrolling. That is awesome work. And then we have, so this part has is more diverse as compared to the other one. I mean, it's not like a good or bad thing, but I'm just mentioning that. Yeah, someone from India, someone from Egypt. Yeah, I'm not going to keep saying the names of the countries because I don't know that. Click on the E markers. If I click on, oh, keep sharing this because I told you in the start, if I miss something, if I miss the feature, let me know in the chat. And this is something I missed. Nigeria, and this is US. I knew this is US. Yeah, and this is UK. All right, this is awesome work. Can I zoom in? Yes, I can zoom in. I was looking for where's the zoom in button. This looks awesome. This is absolutely amazing work. I love this work. That is nice. Also, I love this cute dog icon, our logo, our photo. GitHub repository. Are these actual websites? I believe these are actual websites from the fellows, if I'm not wrong. These are the fellows' work. Yeah, React projects. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Hack together weather. I believe this is the second week's project. We're gonna see this in a moment. But yeah, I love this. I love this website. And let's see what you folks did in terms of contribution or in terms of open source best practices. 38 request issues were closed. That is nice. That is a good number. And what about the pull request? 52. 52 pull requests in just a week. That is a good work, man. And I just noticed something. I just noticed something which I absolutely love. Comments. Uh, let's see one or two of them. Let's see this one because it has 3 comments. Okay. Looks approved. Looks good. This is cool. Seems like you folks did a very good. You made a very good use of open source best practices, just like the other pod. Check us. That is awesome, and this is awesome work. I mean, this is the start of the open source journey for you. So, yeah, I love this work. Make sure that all of you apply again for that 5 weeks of program. The both pods. I'm not referring to any specific one. This is awesome work and really impressive. I love the different designs and the different work. All right. So now time to move to the second pod, second project. But let me know in the chat, what did you like the most in these 2 projects? Doesn't matter if it's your pod, doesn't matter if it's the other pod, doesn't matter even if you're not even in the you are not even graduating, but you are just here to see the awesome work of the fellows. So let me know in the chat what do you like the most about these projects. And meanwhile, there's still more to see in the website down. There's still more to see. Did I miss something? There's still more to see in the website down. I missed this thing. Where do I see the sunset? I believe this is the scroll bar. Yeah. I'm confused. What did I miss? Did I miss the projects? The blogs. Oh. Okay. I thought. Okay, I didn't see this. I thought these are also the projects. All right. Let's see this. My bad. First week with MLH, what we built. Next challenge, test post, MLH fellowship, and a nice back button. That is the logo. And then if I scroll down again, test post, first week. This is cool. This is cool. And the last week. Awesome. I love the project card animation in the pod 1 project. Alright, let's move on to the second project of Checkers. We're gonna start with the what do we call this? With the GitHub, but here is the startup project. This is quite simple, nothing fancy, but I love the e-markers pop-up and the score for the pod 2 members. I love that thing as well. The best thing for me something that I loved the most was the scores, and then based on the scores, giving them gold, bronze, and silver, etc. Okay, so this is the website that they get initially, and here you can see I'm from Islamabad, so why is it not searching for Islamabad? Yeah, here it is. It's 37 degrees centigrade here. That's why you see the background noise of the wind, because it's so hot here. All right, so this is the website, and it's quite simple. And let's see the amazing work now. Let's see the amazing work of the fellows. I will keep this open for the reference, and here is the first project. Here is the first project in 3, 2, 1. Oh, Will Russell, Mr. Will Russell, I see you here. Is this done by by a fan of Phil Lesser? Or was this like some? Let's just add this. Let me see this again. Will, if you're seeing this, I should send this to him on Slack after this. Search for accommodation. Ah, he's here. He is here. He just commented. He's here. Alright, I like the nice loading animation. Alright, do not forget to bring these things. So I assume it will show me the things when I search for the weather. Let me type again Islamabad here, and it gives me the list. That is nice. If I search for Islamabad, if I search for Islamabad, nothing happens. No suggestions. No suggestions. Let me try again. Let me search for another country, maybe another city or another state. I believe this feature was not completed, so that is totally fine. But let's explore other things. I like this thing, by the way. Search what's on your mind. Search for weather. This is nice. This is nice. Let's go for hotel. Okay, hotel. Can you give it location access? It should actually. So the reason I don't give location access usually is it exactly pins the location on the map, and I don't want that on the live stream. But yeah, let's try this. If this is not a very long thing to do, this should actually work now. But I have to do this from my system preference. So if I refresh this page now, oops. Let's just. Okay, here it is. So now I believe this is giving me the weather based on my location. Maybe try New York only. So let's now, if I try New York and just search for it, I just pressed enter. I'm not sure now. I believe this is now this is the same temperature, but I can see these things here. And let's say it's rain. Let's try London, because people from London are here and they're spectating us, if I'm not wrong. This is 33. I'm not sure what was the previous temperature, but let's try Delhi. And let's see this here. This also gives the same thing. Fox from Jacker. Help us here. Let us know what is this? Is this an updated one, or is this the previous one? But meanwhile, we can try other things. Oh, this is nice. Never cut your own print. Advice of the day. I can keep doing this all day, but let's focus on other things. Hello, Mr. Gagasi. Hotels. Word clock. Okay, this is word clock. That is nice. And I can play with this as well all day. But Singapore, Thailand. If I click Thailand, nothing happens, but it zoom ins. Vietnam, Macau, Philippines. Alright, let's try other things. Traffic. So yeah, this is it's showing me the map of my location. I believe the search was not implemented completely. That is totally fine. It happens, but yeah, I think this temperature is from my current location. Oops. Whoops. Alright, let's try other things. Let's see other things. But yeah, this is nice. I love this animation and the Mr. Wilgasser here. Yeah, let's see if we have anything for the trips. I'm planning to make a trip, so please give me any suggestion here. Mm, loading, nothing happens. Okay, let's skip it and let's see the link if the links are working. Yeah, the links are working. I can see that in the bottom here. So yes, the links are working. You should see my face. Whoops. Just a second. Yeah, here we go. All right. Okay. So yeah, this is the first website. Kind of like check music. Where is the music? Where is the music? Here. Here is the music. Music and hotels also work. Okay, let's check this. I'm not sure if you will be able to. You will not be able to hear this, but yeah. So this will uh, take me to the last.fm and we can hear that there. All right, cool, cool. And what about hotels? Loading. Okay, it gives me the local hotels. Yes. Now, this is nice. This is nice. So I can search for the hotel and I can plan my trip accordingly. Wow, hotels. It gives the rating. Can someone tell me from where did you get the data? Is this like some Google API or some other API? Which API did you folks used? But yeah, this looks awesome. Gives like enough information to make a decision whether I should go to this hotel or not. Awesome, awesome work, awesome work. Let's go to the issues, and 22 issues closed, and it looks like someone is still working on something. But yeah, 22 issues closed, and let's go to the pull request. 9 pull request closed. That is nice. That is nice. This is cool, and let's now head over to. Let's now head over to the other pod, and let's see their work. So again, this is something this is what it was initially, and this is what checkers came up with, which is nice. And now let's see what the heck together did. Again, animation, which is nice. Animations are always nice, and I love these icons as well. I'm a big fan of icons. I always use them whenever I can. I mean emojis, and I love these emojis. It gives me New York City. Let me try Islamabad. And it gives me Islamabad, and it's 31 degrees centigrade. And I can see a lot of other things here. That is awesome, and it feels like 37 exactly. It is too hot. And it shows me on the map as well. That is awesome. Alright, a lot of things here. So let's discover this one by one. It's asking me to take the cap and the rest. Let's search for, notice the tab icon. Notice the tab icon. Where is the tab icon? Please guide me on this. Let's search for, someone suggest me a city in the chat. Someone suggest me a city in the chat, and then we will go for that, and we will search for that because I want to try a couple of cities here. Doha. So this it is 26 and it's raining. So you should take a raincoat with you and an umbrella. Cairo. I believe this is from Egypt. Yes, it is. It's hot there as well, just like in Islamabad. So I know how it feels. I totally know how it feels. So make sure you get your sunglasses and a cap and a sunscreen. Alright, this is awesome. Cool. Now, yeah, another thing is I noticed the background also changed. So that is nice. That is awesome. Let's talk about the project. So about the project gives us developing hack to map. So you can click on the map too. Let's try this. Let's try that too. So here you folks did some work. This is nice. So you're basically telling about how this project was developed. Image optimization. So you did image optimization and deployments and feature map. That is awesome. Oh, this is nice. This is a quick way to get a temperature of of a location. So that is nice. Let's search for. Let's go to Nepal and see the temperature there. Oh, -1. We should visit Nepal right now because it's. I mean, I love winter and cold. Let's see what is the temperature in Kashmir. That is 9.8. All right. This is awesome, and I like this. Is this Google Map? No, it is Mapbox. Cool and awesome work. Again, this was the website initially. This was the website. Nothing much here. Just a basic API and some basic UI design. Click on the location icon in the search box. Okay, get my location. Oh, cool. I'm not going to do this because it may give the exact pinpoint. So just for security and privacy, I'm not doing this. But yeah, I got the idea. So this will exactly take me there. That is awesome. Thanks, Ahmed, for pointing that. But yeah, this is cool. Actually, let me see. Since we are on the satellite, that's okay. You will not find the position here. Yep. We got this. This looks awesome. Yeah, Rawalpindi and Islamabad, both are the same thing. Cool. Now let's get back to the street, and there we go. That is awesome. Let's now see what you folks did on GitHub. The first thing, issues. 33 issues were closed, and I see a lot of new issues were created. That is nice. Seems like you folks. Some of these issues are shared, assigned to fellows. Cool. And let's talk about the pull request. So 49. I wish you had like also merged this so we could call this 50 and a half century. But yeah, this is awesome. Let's see this one because it has 3 comments there. Oh, I like this explanation, Ahmed. I like the demo, and I like this image. That is cool. That is awesome. Well, this is an amazing work. Again, just to reiterate, this was the basic website, and the fellows came up with something. That is this website and this website. I like the animation on the both websites. That is this one where we have Mr. Willisser as an animation, and then this one where we have the wave animation here. You can also try GitHub deployment. It has the latest changes. I believe you're talking about. Oh, so you just merge this, if I'm not wrong. Pull request. I see one, but there isn't any. The link in the README. The link in the README. This one. Are you talking about this one? This one. I believe this is something that we just tried. So probably this one. So yeah, again, just to reiterate, the fellows did something like this. This whole work was something that that happened in just 3 weeks, considering like the both projects. So for the first project, they had just 1 week of time, and for the second, the Weathers project, they had 2 weeks of time. And also, they were working with totally new people that they had no idea that they exist on this universe before they joined the fellowship prep pod. So it's sometimes challenging when you're working with new people, but considering they were working with new people and still came up with these awesome websites, so that is awesome work. So yeah, this is prep pod, and this is their amazing work. So shout out to Jackers and Hack Together. You folks did an amazing work, and I would highly encourage and recommend you to apply for that 5 weeks of program again, so that I can see you there, and then we can together showcase your work there as well. So yes, that is almost it about the prep pod work, uh, and it's really something very nice and awesome. So yeah, awesome work everyone. You all folks did an amazing work in just this very short span of time. And yeah, thank you everyone for staying till the end. Just to let you know that the admissions are open. So I would suggest you to apply for it. So if in case you're interested, so go for fellowship.mlh.io and just go for the track in which you're interested. Um, and it is totally worth it. MLH Fellowship is totally worth it. I'm not saying this because I'm someone who works at in the MLH fellowship. I'm saying this because I was also once a fellow in the batch zero, and it totally changed my life. So I highly encourage every single person who is watching right now to please go to the fellowship.mls.io and apply for uh, the the track in which you are interested. So yes, that is it for this batch, for this stream, this web pod graduation. Hope to see you again next time with some new projects, some new awesome folks, some new work, and yep, that is it. Again, apply as soon as possible, and happy hacking. Have a good day. Bye.